came back from our first down trip. I don't know why this guy is just on the other side. But we just came down on the, I don't know what it's called, but we just did one trip. Right now everybody's warming up because everybody want to warm up. We're about to go again and see you guys if anything happens. About to go for round 2 already outside and let's get it.
I go slap.
Brutado!
When I tell you guys, yo, don't go so TV, fam. It's cold out here, eh?